Meaning of inseminate.
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 Inseminate. The word inseminate refers to the process of introducing semen into the reproductive system of a female animal or human in order to bring about fertilization. This can be done artificially, through procedures such as intrauterine insemination or in vitro fertilization, or it can occur naturally during sexual intercourse. The end result of insemination, assuming the process is successful, is the fusion of sperm and egg to form a zygote. This zygote will then undergo various stages of development, ultimately resulting in the formation of an embryo and, eventually, a fully formed offspring.